Yo, what's going on YouTube fam? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to earn free Bitcoin and PayPal cash simply for watching videos. Yes, it really is that simple. It's gonna be done on one application. This can be done on desktops, laptops, smart devices, all of your devices, you guys. If you have iOS or Android, as long as you have one of those and you have an internet connection, you can start earning free Bitcoin and PayPal cash by simply watching videos. This is going to be very simple, and you can make this money practically doing nothing. And it's a great way to make some extra money while you're staying at home. So if this sounds appealing to you, make sure that you stick with me through the entire video, because at the end, I'm going to show you how you can even amplify this effect for doing simply nothing other than the things that you're doing every single day anyways. Yes, 100% completely on autopilot. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. All right, you guys, I hope you are excited for this video because it's going to be very, very simple, but it's very important that you stick with me through the entire video because as promised, I have a little bonus at the end that's going to amplify the effect and the strategy that we're going to be doing today. And it works 100% on autopilot, and you're absolutely going to love it. So you don't want to miss out on any part of this strategy. That way you can make the most Bitcoin and PayPal money possible. Also, you guys, if you are brand new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I come out with videos just like the one you're watching right now every single week, teaching you the best money making strategies. Also, you guys, if at any time during this video you find any valuable content, please make sure that you smash that thumbs up. That is extremely important. Drop me a comment, even if you just say free PayPal cash. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your questions. I will respond to those. I always appreciate that. Show me some love. Help me grow this channel so at the end of the day, we can put more money in more people's pockets, because that's what this channel is all about, and that helps get this information out. So let's get into this video. Like I said, as promised, this is going to be very, very simple. All right, you guys, diving into my computer, we are at bituro.com. It's spelled just like this that you see right up here at the top. And as you will notice, this works on all of your smart devices, tablets, you guys, cell phones. As long as you have an internet connection, you can install this one single application that we're talking about today. And yes, it's available in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. We'll get to that here in just a second. I want to show you some of the reviews and just how highly rated this is. So how does this work, you guys? Literally, you're going to install this application and you're going to start earning Bitcoin and all kinds of other, great gift cards, if you will, such as Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, but, and even PayPal cash, you guys, they pay out in PayPal as well. Now look at this right up here at the top, complete simple tasks on your phone. And we're talking about things such as installing applications, watching videos. What this video is about, you can simply start watching videos. And what's cool about this, guys, is it doesn't require any input from you other than you pressing play, right? Because you're not going to get a quiz or anything. So you can simply play these videos, go do whatever you're going to do, whatever you're doing anyways, whether you watch them or you don't watch them, and start earning free PayPal cash, Bitcoins, Ethereum tokens, and all kinds of other different gift cards for simply watching videos. You can also complete surveys, and there's also some other things on here that you can do as well. I'll get to that here in just a second. But again, you guys, these guys are paying out in PayPal, Bitcoins, Ethereum, and all kinds of great gift cards right here. Very, very simple. And you can earn even more money if you're willing to share this with your friends. You can earn up to 10% of all their redeemed points by simply sharing this with your friends. That's so simple to do because you're going to be excited about this because it's so simple, right? Right now you're at home sitting on your couch watching TV anyways. You might as well be getting paid. And another cool thing that I want to point out about this being digital currency is that this fluctuates right here. At one time, one Bitcoin was worth 20,000 United States dollars, and right now it's around $10,000. So what's cool about this is you can use that as an investment, and you can transfer this to your Coinbase account, which is a crypto wallet. If you're not familiar with that, I will be dropping a link to that down in the description as well. And that is where you will store all of your cryptocurrency. And when that value goes up, you can double your money if it was to go back up to $20,000, which it was at previously. And right now is a great time to invest in Bitcoin, by the way. So let's look at this in the Apple App Store right here. I just wanted to show you some of the reviews because people absolutely love this. You can see 4.6 star rating, 233 reviews. Yes, that's not a lot, but this company is newer. And by the way, that is the best time to get invested in one of these companies because they're not as greedy, right? And as you can see right here, you can be completing surveys, playing, you can play games on here as well, earn points by playing games and reading news. So if you like to read news, you can get paid for doing that as well. Just a ton of great stuff on here. You can see 5-star reviews, 5 stars, 5 stars. Come down here, check out some of these reviews, you guys. People absolutely love this application. If we jump over to the Google Play Store, you can see again, 4-star rating, and this one in the Google Play Store, 3,874 reviews. So I cannot stress enough, Bituro is a great application to start getting paid for simply doing some very, very simple stuff here, you guys. Not complicated at all. Make sure that you stick with me through this entire video, because the next thing that I'm going to be showing you here is how we can actually amplify this effect for literally doing nothing at all, and you're absolutely going to love that, and it's very, very important. Hey, what do you guys think of this video so far? It's pretty cool, huh? Right? Earn some extra Bitcoin and PayPal cash simply for watching videos. That's really cool stuff right there. Make sure that you crush that thumbs up for this information, you guys, if you found any value in this video at all. I really appreciate that. I'm also going to drop a little pop-up. It's going to be actually over here in this corner right here, and it's going to show you exactly what I'm doing to make money online, you guys. And so I want you to first understand that you will not get rich with what I'm showing you right now. It's a great way to earn some extra money and put some extra spending cash in your pockets, right? But you're not going to get rich doing this. It's just not possible with some simple applications. However, I can teach you how to build an online business. I have a whole team of individuals willing to show you step by step exactly what you need to do so that you can create your own online business and create a passive income lifestyle, get time freedom, fire your boss, and work from anywhere in the world. Yes, it actually is possible to work from a cell phone mostly, simply with this business model that I'm talking about today, you guys. If that sounds appealing to you, if you want to be able to hang out with your friends, your family, and work when you want and create substantial income, you guys. I'm talking about $500 a day, $1,000, $2,000, $10,000 a month. Some people are even making millions. It won't happen overnight. I promise you, it won't happen overnight. There may be a few people out there that have some insane results, but for the most part, it's going to take you a little bit of time. But it is possible for you to create a business, an online business, which is actually very important. If you're not paying attention to what's going on right now, everything has gone online. So if you're even thinking about starting a business, it needs to be online. So check out the pop-up that I'm going to have pop up in the top corner right here if you're interested in that and you want to get started doing what I'm doing to make a significant amount of money online. Now, as promised, if you're still with me on this video, I'm going to show you how to actually, not double, but amplify your effect of, watching videos and doing all this stuff that you're doing online anyways, simply for doing nothing at all. So pay close attention here. It's very simple as well. It works completely on autopilot. All right, folks, diving back into my computer here, we are at CryptoTab Browser. Now, if you have never heard of this, that's okay, because this website is absolutely awesome. And what's happening right now, you guys, is I'm making Bitcoin or earning Bitcoin literally for just using my web browser. If you're not familiar with how to mine Bitcoin or anything, that's completely okay. It's completely okay, because I don't know how to mine Bitcoin either, but these guys have made it so simple, because now when you're using your web browser here, what CryptoTab Browser has done is they have made it possible to mine Bitcoin using your computer's resources just by using their web browser. Now, this works on tablets, such as like your cell phones and your tablets, and it also works on desktops. So what's cool about that is when you're using Bituro, right, this works on all of your devices as well. So when you're watching videos, installing apps, completing surveys, you can have CryptoTab Browser running in the background simply by using their web browser, and you're going to be mining Bitcoin and earning even more cryptocurrency just for doing what you're already doing anyways. Even if you're not using Bituro right here, just swap this out for your web browser, right? What this does, you guys, is it's very similar to like Google Chrome, Firefox, all the web browsers that you're using already anyways. And this is fast, secure, it's profitable. Over 10 million users across the globe are already doing this, earning free Bitcoin simply for doing things they're doing every single day anyways. It just makes sense. Why would you not do this? It's fast, it's secure, and it works just like Google Chrome and Firefox, you guys. They make it so effortless to import all of the data and browsing features such as like your bookmarks and all that stuff into CryptoTab Browser. So don't let that stop you. They have all kinds of great extensions and plugins that you're familiar with, and then the built-in mining feature. It just makes so much sense, you guys. Come check this out. I will be dropping a link down to this in the description below. Get this installed, pair this with Bituro, and now you're going to be earning Bitcoin, mining it in the background while you're watching videos. So now you're amplifying the effect, right? You're doubling what you're doing, and it's just so simple, you guys. The more, one little hack I want to mention is the longer and the more that you're using CryptoTab Browser, you want to make this your default browser, because the more you're using this, the more Bitcoin you're going to be earning and mining. It's really that simple. There's nothing that you have to do special at all. All right, you guys, what did you think of that video? Don't forget to let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to smash that like button. You guys crush it. If you found any valuable content in this video, make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you hit that bell notification, and make sure that you checked out my #1 recommendation in the top of the description if you want to make some serious money online and start your own online business and pursue your own life of freedom, real freedom, you guys, where you can go do what you want to do and earn money while you're literally sleeping. If that sounds appealing to you, make sure that you check that out. That's all that I have for you today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.